Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download large folders from OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to onedrive.com. Once you're on the page, sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all your cloud storage and files stored on OneDrive. After signing in, you'll need to wait a moment while the login process completes. OneDrive will automatically redirect you to your main dashboard where you can view and manage all your stored content. This process usually takes just a few seconds, so be patient while everything loads up. Once you're on your OneDrive dashboard, direct your attention to the left side menu. You'll see several navigation options there. Click on My Files to access all the files and folders you have stored in your OneDrive cloud storage. This section displays everything you've uploaded or synced, making it easy to locate what you need. Now browse through your files and look for the large folder you want to download. Once you've found it, click on the check mark next to the folder name to select it. This action highlights the folder and prepares it for download. You'll notice that once you've selected the folder, an action menu appears at the top of the screen with various options you can perform on the selected item. From this action menu, click on the download button. OneDrive will immediately begin preparing your folder for download. Now here's something important to note about downloading large files from OneDrive. The platform automatically provides you with a compressed copy of the files you're downloading. This is incredibly useful because it means the download will use the lowest possible storage space on your device until you extract the files. So if you were worried about filling up your hard drive with a massive folder, OneDrive handles this smartly by compressing everything into a zip file first. This compression not only saves space but also makes the download faster and more efficient. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your large folder from OneDrive, and thanks to the automatic compression, you've saved valuable storage space in the process. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.